Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment educational leadership week third assignment third. The first question is dash in education are valuable code of conduct exhibited and enforced by teachers in relation to the student college community and to oneself for positive educational consequences. So these are the option professional ethics, formal rules, violation, professional relation, community relations. So now let's check the answer of first question. So the answer of first question, professional ethics, these are the valuable code of conduct that are exhibited and enforced by teachers in relation to the student college community and to oneself to produce a profound effect on strategy of education. So the answer of first question is A, professional ethics. Now the second question is the principle that teachers code of professional practice is to be based on include. So these are the options, and now let's check the answer of second question. So professional ethics and values in teaching. The teacher's code of professional practice to be based on five principles: service to the public, responsiveness to the government and the needs of the public, accountability, fairness and integrity. So the answer of second question is E, all of the above. Now the third question is dash of educational institutes leading towards consequences like commercialization of degrees, low quality teaching, and no job security is one of the current ethical challenges in the teaching professions. So these are the option personalization, industrialization, privatization, institutionalization, none of the above. So let's check the answer of third question. So privatization of educational institute leading toward mushrooming self-financial school college, commercialization of degrees, low quality teaching, no job security and exploitation of teachers, high tuition fees. So the answer of third question is C, privatization. Now the fourth question is which of the following are current ethical issue and challenges in the teaching profession? So these are the option political interference, corruption, communication and cultural barriers. Only B and C, A, B and C. So these are the option and the answer of fourth question is current ethical challenge in teaching profession, corruption, political interference, communication and cultural barrier. So the answer of fourth question is E, A, B, and E. Now the fifth question is each teacher has an obligation to dash. So these are the option and let's check the answer of fifth question. So professional ethics and values in teaching. Each teacher has an obligation to demonstrate high standards of professional practice. So the answer of fifth question is D, demonstrate high standard of professional practice. Now the sixth question is the code of professional practice should be dash. So these are the option discriminatory, update time to time, keep the same forever, optional for a teacher to follow or not, none of the above. So let's check the answer of sixth question. So question 6, the code of professional practice should be updated from time to time according to the changing societal needs. So the answer of sixth question is B, update time to time. Now the seventh question is teachers serve the public interest by the following accepts. So these are the option and the answer of seventh question is A, favoring certain students over others. Now the eighth question is teachers should ignore specific needs of pupils, motivate and inspire pupils, work on only in isolation, not include parents in the process, decide which pupils they like and which they don't. So let's check the answer of eighth question. Motivate and inspire pupils with a view to helping each realize his her potential. So the answer of eighth question is B, motivate and inspire pupils. Now the ninth question is the process of ethical teaching should begin from pre-service studentship and dash. So these are the options and now let's check the answer of ninth question. So question 9, the process of ethical teaching should begin from pre-service studentship and continue throughout professional life. So the answer of ninth question is D, continue throughout professional life. Now the 10th question is at the time of ethical dilemma and inspirational educational leader should do dash. So these are the option and let's check the answer of 10th question. So Question 10, clarify the fact, think of several options for action, evaluate option using different ethical approaches, take action carefully. So the answer of 10th question is E, all of the above. Now the 11th question is, the educational leaders also must incorporate dash as part of their thinking and reasoning, as ethics is at the core of a given human enterprises. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of 11th question. The educational leaders also must incorporate ethical analysis as the part of their thinking and reasoning, as ethics as is at the core of given human enterprises. So the answer of 11th question is C, ethical analysis. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.